Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to level up your character consistency in Midjourney in Painting. So welcome, I'm gonna be inside Discord already, because Midjourney is gonna be operating inside Discord. So let's get started. This is gonna be the prompt bar, I'm gonna call it prompt bar. And then simply, first thing is gonna be type in settings. I wanna make sure you have the specific settings we need before proceeding. So you're gonna see this specific styles. There's gonna be default, expressive, cute, scenic, and original. So if you're not seeing this one, you might have the default version. So make sure you click this drag down arrow and choose the Niji Model V5. Make sure you choose the Niji Model V5 so this styles will be appearing on your end. So our process are gonna do right now is you can try it out for next styles. For example, I'm gonna proceed with this video on the default style, right? If you want to try out later on for expressive, cute, scenic, it's really up to you. But for now, I'm gonna use default, just for discussion purposes. So let's get started right here. Of course, the prompt command is gonna be imagine, space, and just include your prompt here. I have a presetted prompt earlier. I'm just gonna use this one, and of course, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So a cute puppy wearing a future mech, multiple poses, facial expressions, neutral color, plain background, aspect ratio 16:9. In other cases, I'm gonna change this to bunny to make it more cute. And by the way, the thing here is the key point. Make sure you always include multiple poses in your prompts. That's the key point right here. Please take note of that. I'm just gonna click on enter for it to generate. Now this will take around 30 seconds to 1 minute, so I'm not gonna take our time here. I'm just gonna skip when it's here. I'll get back to you, okay? Hello there, so welcome back. Our image just got generated. Let me check this one. So this is our image from our prompt earlier. As you can see, it's a very cute bunny with multiple poses. So you can just choose each one here. I'm gonna go with this one to upscale because it's very simple, very basic. I'm gonna use this one, the fourth one. So to upscale it, simply click on the U4 and wait for it to generate again. This won't take the same time length as earlier. So with this one, this is gonna be our photo, and then you can just choose a specific pose to work with. Now I'm gonna click this vary region. Again, on this part, this is where it gets technical. Please follow as I do my process here, and then just do your own later on, okay? I'm gonna click this lasso icon right here, and just choose a specific pose. I'm gonna choose this one right here, this little guy. So, the tip here is, make sure you remember where you started. So I'm gonna start on this left foot, and work my way around this specific pose. So yeah, you can see a checkered mark right there. It's like checkers. Don't be afraid to make a mistake here. You can always click on reset and redo everything. Again guys, remember where you started because you don't have to go at the very end first. So for example right here, I'm going to do this little thing here. I'm going to extend. And there you go. That's why I asked you to remember where you started. Basically just end where you started earlier. And then you'll be good to go. I will see this right here. There is still a lot of things to fix. You can always fix it later. And then this is where we prompt our new prompt. Rather type our new prompt. I'm just gonna use Niji. I'm gonna remove Niji right there. I'm gonna remove this S750. I don't need that. Remove the dash. And then I'm gonna choose a background now for this specific pose. So for example, walking in a park. Basically like that. Click on enter and just wait for it to finish. And I assure you this specific font is gonna be good. Wait for it to finish right now. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes and I'll get back to you right again. Hello there, so welcome back. Our image just got generated and this is the final result. So you'll have four photos. And actually this one right here, the third one is perfect for me. And as you can see, the character consistency is nearly perfect. So there are things here that are not perfect because we still have that space earlier, right? So as you can see right here, this is almost perfect also. So I'm just gonna go with the third one and I'm gonna use it for my edits and make a video out of it, and that will be the next video. So that's how you maximize or level up your character consistency in Midjourney in Painting. So please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.